Hi, my name is Ifan and I joined the VSA family in year 6. Upon graduation, I'll be heading to Stanford University, where I'll be potentially majoring in human biology, but I'm also eager to explore my diverse interests in the sciences and humanities. Through the VSA Research program, I was able to connect with Cambridge professors who guided me through research and writing. Thanks to the support I received from my teachers in VSA, I was able to complete and publish my research paper in a peer-reviewed high school journal. My research investigates the multifaceted pathophysiology of Alzheimer's disease and also evaluates and proposes therapeutic crossovers by integrating treatments from Parkinson's, Huntington's, and GBS. My achievement truly would not have been possible without VSA support and encouragement to cultivating students' passions and aspirations. Outside of the lab, I'm also a Taekwondo athlete, having trained since 3 years old. With encouragement from our PE teachers, I founded the VSA Taekwondo Club to bring this martial arts to more, enabling students of all levels and abilities to discover the beauty of martial arts. Coaching students and hosting performances has taught me so much about leadership and collaboration, and I've also built so many friendships with people from all year grades. Furthermore, through the VSA SPARC program, my peers and I also hosted a Taekwondo summer camp for neurodivergent students with Autism Spectrum Disorder. This program aims to boost their confidence and train their fine motor skills, but also destigmatize and dismantle stereotypes surrounding the neurodivergent community. After working to educate over 400 girls in Afghanistan through the Flowers of the Future initiative, I also began a multi-year project with our English teacher Dr. Jeremy Sampson, jointly writing and editing a biographical book unveiling the life experiences of girls in Afghanistan under the Taliban ruling. Founding the Youth Medical and Service Association in VSA, my team and I invited multiple healthcare professionals to VSA, as well as convened students' passion and power to tackle local and global healthcare challenges, with projects ranging from hygiene drives for the homeless in Hong Kong, summer programs for pediatric cancer patients, as well as international seminars with our branch in California, USA. Through the intercultural learning opportunities as part of the IB program, I've been able to cultivate my interest in language and culture, exploring cultural unity through my Year 10 personal project, as well as my SPARC Passion project, choreographing a tricultural martial arts video. Similarly, beyond providing a trilingual learning environment in school, VSA has also encouraged me to learn multiple foreign languages, including Spanish, Korean, and American Sign Language. From neuroscience to martial arts to education, I've had so many opportunities to develop all my diverse interests, which has led me to becoming who I am today. Thank you, VSA.